In this session, we will learn about OsString and OsStr. OsString, it's a platform native strings and it's a cheaply interconvertible with Rust strings. Platform native means the size and implementation are varies with each operating system. As like CSTR, OsStr is a borrowed reference to OsString. We need OsString and OsStr because in Unix systems strings are arbitrary sequence of non-zero 8-bit values interpreted as UTF-8, and in Windows strings are arbitrary sequence of non-zero 16-bit values interpreted as UTF-16. But in Rust strings are always valid UTF-8 only, which may contain zeros or not zeros. So to make compatibility, we need these two types of strings. Now let us create a OsString using OsString : new function as like string : new function. Then we can push string slice into it. For that we need mutable variable. Here I create OsString in Windows and run the project and print the OsString. Now I convert OsString into Rust string using intoString method. It returns result. So we have to unwrap it and then printed it. While converting Rust string, it returns result because each OS has different in size and implementation for strings. We can create OsString using OsString : from function also. Now I create OsStr Rust string ruststr and prints all variables memory size that it consumes. In Windows, Rust string takes 24 bytes and OS string takes 32 bytes and both STRs takes 16 bytes. Let me see it in Linux platform. Rust Playground is running under Linux. Now run it and see the result. There's a difference between Windows consumption and Linux consumption. In Linux, Rust string and OS string takes 24 bytes and both STRs takes 16 bytes. And also we can run a block based on operating system. Let us see that. Here I create a block and configure it to run under Windows. I create OS string using array of U16 because Windows requires UTF-16. Here I create OS string using fromVoid function. It comes from the trait OsString ext, that is extension. Now I run the project. It prints the resultant string ABCD. Now I change U16 to U8. Immediately the function shows error. and it requires U16. Now I create OsStr from OsString using the method as OsStr and printed it. We can convert OsStr to Rust string using the method toStringLazy and ruststr by toStr method. Now I loops the bytes in ruststr and print it in the format of decimal, hex value and binary, then character. Now I create block for Unix based operating system. It requires UTF-8. So I used U8 Here in Linux, from void function is not available. So we have to use from work function to create OS string. Then convert the OS string using the function from bytes. After resolving all errors, it prints the result in Unix-based operating systems. I got from work function from OsString ext trait. See, it is available only on Unix platform. And I got from bytes function from OsStr ext trait. It is also available only on Unix. Thank you.